Welcome to Investigation Video Editor. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create a design screen. Design screens can be used to display file information at the beginning of a project or have information screens played between surveillance days listing pertinent information. Once you create a design screen within IVE, you can save it, eliminating the need to design a new one for every new file. Before we begin, all you have to do is have your company logo and any background image that you would like to use in the design screen handy. Let's get started. I have my video already loaded into IVE, and I want to make a design screen to display at the very beginning, listing the subject's name and case information. So I right-click on the first video clip and add a design screen before. A window will open showing the design area. First, I will add in the background image. Next, I want to add my company logo. So I click the Add Image button, load in the logo I would like to use, resize and place in the correct spot. Next, I want to add the text. I click the Add Text button and load the information into the writing section on the right of the window. Then I can customize the text. Once I am done that, the last thing that I have to do is to set the duration that I wish to have the screen play for. I will choose 5 seconds. Once you've done that, you can save the design screen so that when working on your next project, you can simply add in this design screen with the background image and company logo already present, and all you will have to do is change the info. So I want to save that to my desktop as main screen. Hit apply, and that's it for the main screen. I would also like to have a design screen to appear before every different surveillance day in the project. So to easily do this, I will click on the first clip again and add a design screen before. Now I want these design screens, the ones that will appear before every different surveillance day, to have the same background and company logo placement. So I will just load in the main design screen that I just created. And all I will do is change the text and customize it. I will check that this screen will play for 5 seconds as well. And lastly, I will save this design screen as daily screen. Hit apply and have it load into the project. Now to complete this project, I will find the second day of surveillance and add a design screen before the first clip. I will then load in the daily screen and all I have to do now is change the info. Hit apply and that is it. Now, to show you how the design screens look, let me export the project. And play it. And there you see the main design screen. Play into the daily design screen. And then into the surveillance video. And we will find the second daily screen and check it out. And it looks fine. And that is it. That is how you create, edit, save, and reload design screens back into a project. Thank you very much for watching. There is a separate tutorial video demonstrating how to make still photos play like a slideshow in a project. You can find it on the Clever Thoughts YouTube page. And if you would like to see any feature of IVE demonstrated in a tutorial video, do not hesitate to reach out to us at team@investigationve.com. Thank you.